I'm the no-break turn guy who practice expressing himself through buying and modifying scooters. Today I'm testing my bike in the mountain to climb hills. It seems that only I'm capable of doing so hilarious thing like that. Since there may be foreign viewers in the future, I will explanation in English and with Chinese subtitles. Please go easy on me. I will also shoot other types of videos such as bicycles, motorcycles, car, electronics in the future. Basically anything I enjoy as a way to document my life. After several months of occasional modification and upgrades, my 009 electric scooter has reached a state that I'm very accept. Previously, I shared bits and pieces of it, and today I will summarize and share with you the final version of my scooter. It was a coincidence that I came across the 009 scooter, and after trying other brands like Niu, in Chinese we call Xiao Niu, I want to try out Yadi. And later on, I got influenced by the 009 scooter and ended up getting one. It's also a way for me to practice my skill in repairing scooters. Okay, let's take a look around first. Compared to the original factory condition, do you think there has been an improvement? Personally, I think there have been an improvement. Nowadays, people like modification, and I have modified this scooter according to my own ideas. First of all, let's take a look at the most obviously modification, the decal. Here, compared to the previous delivery style scooter, it has changed from a plain look scooter to a cute and adorable one. I used the paint car element that the young people like, because sometimes Bauhaus style can be boring and weak. So why not add some colors? I'm not really into anime, but I bought a Miko sticker, as many people like cute things. Actually, previously the 2D culture was very niche, but over the past decades with the popularization and development, for example, websites like Bilibili, there are now tens of millions or over hundreds of millions of fans. I believe that this community will continue to grow in the future, as people nowadays value their own personality and pursue individuality. The second element I'm most proud of is the headlight. It's the headlight of the scooter. It's the headlight of the scooter. I changed the Taki-Maki light to the current high-end suspended halo outlight, which is very distinctive. This car also transformed from a delivery vehicle style to a family-used bike style. I also transplanted the turn signal and the tail lights from a Xiaoniu to 009. The turn signal light now yellow with 4 LED beams, very bright. And many cars nowadays do not come with such high brightness as standard. The tail lights are also bright and stylish, ensuring driving safety. And of course, as mentioned multiple times in the previous video, I also installed the turning signal reminder, which may not be present in 1 out of 10,000 electric vehicles. It is necessary to alert pedestrians turning and protect their safety. And as I mentioned before, I like to remove the railway mirror and the mirror support, and I have fulfilled my promise. Here, I removed, and the mirror support. Because when I used to ride a mountain bike, up here I could clearly feel that extra 500 grams would be a significant impact on physician strength. Uphill riding involves overcoming gravity, while on a flat load, it's just overcoming friction. I prefer absolutely lightweight, simplicity, and now the entire front of my bike has been very agile and lightweight. I replaced the rear wheel mirror with the one from Harry, like Harry or Lowrider Chopper, instantly elevating the style. Of course, the field of version of this mirror is not as good as the previous one. They are useful for checking behind. When riding straight, but the rider's waist cannot be too thick, otherwise it may block the mirror. So, for the sake of looks, I have to turn my head left or right more often to observe. In addition, I also installed a thicker rail seat. Considering the practicality, I also figured out how to display the speed on the panel by swapping two wires. Before the speed cannot choose. There are also still many upgrades that can be done to the bike, such as floating brake discs, motors, etc. But personally, I do not recommend them, as they may take too much time. I prefer to keep it a beautiful and simple potted plant. And that concludes my sharing about the 009 electric bikes. They may not be much else to say, as I have gone through the process of buying a bike, being dissatisfied, expressing my needs, modifying the bike, and finally reach a smooth usage state. And I have learned something from it. Until next time, bye.
不上去了，我去！待会儿这个车会不会突然断电了？这电动车，哦，有点吃力。我操！这确实有个25度吧，应该有蛇形走位，蛇形走位就还好。